Place the machine at the designated location. Secure the fuma casters on the bottom of the machine. Prevent the machine from moving. Ensure there is sufficient space for heat dissipation and operation. Remove the key from the back of the machine and open the cabinet door. Remove the straps securing the contents inside the machine. Remove the parts box. Take inventory and reconcile the materials list. Insert the card and press to secure it. When placing the cup lid, be sure to pay attention to its orientation. Unplug the power cord from the back of the machine. Plug into a 16A power outlet. When the cup holder turntable stops spinning, install paper cups. Ensure that the paper cups meet the size requirements. Do not pack the paper cups too tightly together. Paper cups must not become damp or warped. When refilling the coffee beans, please pay attention to the flap. At the bottom of the bean hopper, the gate below needs to be closed. After installing the bean bin, open the gate at the bottom. When installing the residue tray, make sure the side with the text faces outward. Install the material tray. Before adding the dry ingredients, check whether the front and rear nuts are tightened. Discharge opening facing upward. Remove the splash guard. Connect the back of the powder container to the protruding part of the machine and insert it into the slot at the front. Align the rotating discharge port with the mixing chamber below. Install other trays in the same manner as described above. Before installing the liquid feed, the metal tubing needs to be connected to the silicone tubing assembly. Connect the tubing to the peristaltic pump. Connect to the liquid feed reservoir. Install a wastewater bucket. There is a fixed stop at the bottom. Install a water dispenser. Make sure the lid is securely fastened. Check the valve status. The valve is currently closed. Turn the valve to the open position. Install the antenna. Remove the protective tape from the antenna connector. Tighten the top connector to the antenna connector to complete the installation. After connecting the water jug, set the switch to the draw water position. You can access it via the section above the bean bin. Check the water level through the water level observation port. After the machine has finished dispensing water, it will automatically start heating and making ice. Check to see if the ice maker indicator light is green. Long press the drink selection screen. Tap to unlock. The electronic lock will open automatically. Click to function testing. Swipe up to the scrap bin test. Click to contraction. Automatic retraction. Enter the number 7. Select 10 seconds. Purge the air from the second peristaltic pump. Click the extension. Auto expand. Click to select a drink. Go to raw ingredient settings. We recommend opening raw material positions 6 and 7. Select concentration and sugar and submit. Select raw material. Calibration interface. The discharge rate of the powder needs to be tested. Gather scissors, a digital scale, and paper cups. Cut the paper cup to 1/3 of its height. Turn on the digital scale. Place the paper cups and peel them. Let's use the raw material 1 position as an example. Click to calibrate. The time limit is 3 seconds. Remove the splash guard from ingredient station 1. Place the cut paper cups under the discharge opening. Tap Start Testing on the screen to dispense powder for 3 seconds. Place the dispensed powder on the electronic scale. Repeat this process 5 times and calculate the average. Simply enter the average value in the output weight field and save. The calibration method for other raw material positions is as described above. Select a beverage for testing. Select No Payment. Press and hold the drink selection screen for 5 seconds. Tap the factory settings screen. Enter your password. Turn off the skip payment feature and save. Select a drink again to proceed to the payment page. The payment feature is currently disabled.